I made a horror game in 1 hour called Sussy Schoolgrounds. It went absolutely viral for some reason, and now the fan games have gotten out of control. From alternate universes to brand new chapters to knockoffs that make me question my sanity, we've got it all. So today, I'm going to dive back into the world of Sussy Schoolgrounds copies and see if I can separate the good from the absolutely cursed. This is always a terrible idea. Why do I do this? Enjoy the video and consider subscribing if you like it. Last time we did this, we checked out Pizzy Parlor, which was a horror game suspiciously similar to Sussy Schoolgrounds. But since then, it has had a massive update with brand new chapters and monsters. We've played chapter 1 and we've played chapter 2. But now we have chapter 3, chapter 4, and chapter 5. They are pumping out updates for this game. And it looks like there are some questionable looking new monsters. Mamma mia. Oh my, it is so loud, it is so loud, it is so loud, it is so, I'm so... Okay, we are back in Pizzy Parlor. Home sweet home. So if you haven't seen this before, you basically run around a pizza shop collecting pizzas while avoiding Pizzy Wizzy. So it is suspiciously similar to a game you may have heard of on this channel in the past. Also, something I missed when I played through this last time was that there is an Easter egg in the bathroom. If you press P, you get teleported to a museum that has a very cool secret right here. It's just like the original. Let's just speed run this part so we can get to the new content. There's one more on the chair right here, and we're done, Okay, I think this is the new chapter. What is he saying? Sweetie, sweetie, wanna treaty. So we are in Sweetie Sweetie's candy store. And we need to find all of the candy. Beautiful voice acting. I found one. Why are these so difficult? I've only found one. I have to go. Okay, 2. I found 2. Sweetie, sweetie, wanna treaty. Oh, here's one. 3. 4. Okay, we have the high ground now. Let's inspect for treats. We have, oh, another one. 5. Is there another room or something? Please don't be soft lock. Please don't be soft. Oh, there's one back here. 6. Okay, it's not soft lock. 7. Yo, where's 8? Where's 8? We need one more, I assume. Oh, and 8. I see it. I see it. Is this the last treaty? Go down. Go down. There we go. Now this looks like chapter 4. Yeah, that seems about right. I don't even know what he's saying at this point. Okay, this is gluten wooten, and we have to find all of the bread in his bakery. So we have one bread right here. Before we continue, this video is sponsored by the greatest game of all time, Raid Shadow Legends. But instead of just telling you about the game, I'm going to be interviewing my favorite champion. He's really charming and smart and handsome.
Professor Death Knight here from Teleria University with a math problem. If you create a hit mobile game in 2019, how many champions will you have now?
Easy. Probably like 5 or 6. I'm really smart, you know. We would make a great couple.
The answer is over 700.
Oh.
Anyways, not only does Raid Shadow Legends have tons of rad champions, it also has 15 amazing factions. So faction pop quiz. Can you name the latest faction?
Wow, you are literally so handsome.
If you said the elusive Sylvan Watchers, you're right.
Oh, yeah, that's what I said.
Alright, class dismissed.
If you're looking for a new challenge in Raid Shadow Legends, they've just added a fearsome new boss, Akumori the Phantom Shogun. This undead general is guarding everything you need for accessory ascension, a new feature that allows you to upgrade your gear to even greater heights. Finally, if you're new to Raid, use the link in my description or scan the QR code to get insane new bonuses. We are talking an epic champion Drake from the Lizardmen faction, and all these things right here. Once you're in, come find me under the name PolyMars, and if you're fast enough, you can join my clan. So click my link in the description, and I'll see you on the battlefield. 1 bread, 2 bread. So far, so good. 3 bread, 4 bread. Okay. Take that, gluten wooten. Okay, we have 4 bread. 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go!
You wasted your time, but why? It's only you to blame for wasting all of your precious time. You could have been playing any other game. Could have been playing anything else. But guess what? You decided to play my stupid little game. Now look at what you did. Are you happy? Are you happy with yourself? Probably not.
Okay. There's some deep lore here. It looks like he killed and literally beheaded all of the other monsters. These might be their bodies right here. I mean, if I was hungry enough, I would not feel too bad eating him. He's literally pizza. Collect the meat. Oh, God.
What was that? It's a spicy meatball.
Very interesting game, but next, in the last video, we played a Sussy Schoolgrounds fan-made Chapter 3. And they went ahead and made another chapter. This fan game is pumping out chapters faster than the official Sussy Schoolgrounds, but let's see how good the new chapter is. These are all made by the same person, by the way. Plownouse is absolutely carrying the Sussy Schoolgrounds fan game community. 5, 6, 7. I forgot how absolutely great this game was. 6. We've gotten a lot better at these games. You know, I've been putting in the practice, that's for sure. Oh, 8. Perfect. And this is the brand new Chapter 4 with, Chimpy Wimpy. Okay. Hey, no, please, no! Beautiful. So it looks like we're in a school again, but the layout seems a little different already. We have some bookcases. It looks like the same deal. We gotta collect bananas. Let's find 8 bananas and avoid Chimpy Wimpy. He looks like he's already struggling though. Bro, this is a nice bathroom. I wish my school had bathrooms like this. What? This is huge. I didn't see anything in the bathroom. Let him come in a bit, and then let's juke him out. Woo! We outran him, let's go. Alright. 2. And we are in a fancy classroom. They have really nice monitors, just no computers at all. Okay, 3 out of 8 bananas. Okay, another classroom. Oh, this looks like Munkus Lunkus's class. Alright, 4 bananas. Please don't kill me, Chimpy Wimpy. Where is he? Oh, that was fake. There's no bananas. Ooh, look at this fancy laptop. Alright, 6. 7. Alright, 1 more banana, and then we have defeated Sussy School. Oh gosh! No. How do we? Don't mess up. Just don't mess up. He is right behind me. I'm terrified. I think we've been to all the rooms. No, 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 no. Jump, jump, jump. Don't die. My heart is racing. It must be in the men's bathroom. This is the one spot we haven't found one. Is it in the sink? Oh, it's in the sink. It's in the sink. Yes. We did it. We have defeated Sussy Schoolgrounds, Chapter 4. Up next, we have another alternate universe game, a Sinister Dinner, which is somehow also chef-themed for some reason. Your mission, collect the 8 lost cooking pots scattered throughout the eerie rooms of this haunted restaurant. Seems familiar. Okay. Oh gosh, who is this? Hello. Get it. Already a very questionable experience. But we found our first pot. 2 pots. 3 pots. 4 pots. Yeah! 5 pots. No! I hate this guy. Why does he run like that? He's so terrifying. I do not like this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 in this back room, I know. The question is, how do I escape him? Up, up, up. No, no! That's not fair, that's not fair! 7. Last one's in here, last one's in here. 7 and 8. No! I hate you, Phantom Top Chef. Alright, we know the exact locations of all of them, so it is time to destroy this game. 1. Okay, now it is time to destroy this game. Okay. Over here. No! Okay, he's like guarding this. He's too good. Go. Oh! Yes, we got it, we got it. Okay, we have 2. And this is 3. This is 4. Alright, now we can just walk a bit. We have 4. The 5th one's over here. Alright, 5. This is it. This is our shot. This is our shot. Five or 6, 6, 7. And this is the last one, I think. 8. We have completed whatever this game was called. Up next, everyone is worried about AI stealing our jobs, and I never thought that would be a problem for me. But it looks like I was wrong. Here we have AI-generated Sussy Schoolgrounds. So the question is, did AI create a better Sussy Schoolgrounds than the original? Or am I safe from machines taking my job, for now, at least?
Sussy wants a snacky. Sussy wants a snacky. Sussy wants a snacky.
Oh no.
Sussy wants a snack.
This is beautiful. This is a work of art. I think the AI voice acting is better than the original. Just listen to this.
Sussy wants a snacky. Sussy wants a snacky. Sussy wants a snacky.
Sussy wants a snack. 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 10 out of 10. Now let's see how the rest of the game compares. Thankfully he's stuck right here. He would have killed us a long time ago. We have AI generated bananas. Wow, the AI generated bananas are absolutely beautiful. Alright, 1 banana, 2 banana. Where did the text come from? What does that mean? He doesn't really chase you. Oh no, he definitely chases you. And
holy wow, you defeated the eye Sussy Wussy. Whoa, amazing Sakurai.
Before we move on, we have to see the jump scare. Show me what you got, AI Sussy Wussy.
Sussy wants a snack. Sussy wants a snack. Sussy wants.
Let's move on. All right, and finally we have Terry's turf. I don't even know. It's probably a virus or something. The following components are required. Oh wow, I was joking, but this actually is a virus. What is this game doing to my computer? You must restart your computer before you can use the software. I'm a little bit concerned. And there we go. Let's hope that wasn't a virus. Please just work. We have made it into Terry's turf. The jump scare is a little anticlimactic, but let's see what the game has to offer. He moves so quick. I can't get away. He moves so fast. Terry, calm down. Oh my gosh, Terry, please. Terry, please. Terry. So it looks like we are in a golf range or whatever they're called. I don't play golf. But we have to collect golf balls. So far so good. 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're already, never mind. We have 0. 3, 4. Don't make any mistakes. Bye, Terry. No! So we almost lost everything. Terry makes this really difficult. And 5. There we go. You beat Scary Terry. Alright. Now, how do I exit? Oh. I guess it was a virus.
Thanks again to Raid for sponsoring the video.